last topic I want to talk about with uniform circular motion is something connected to gravity, which we know that when we throw something on the Earth's surface, it doesn't go in a circle, it goes in a parabola, right? When I throw an object when I throw my book off of my building, it goes in a parabola because it's going in a constant speed in this direction, but it's going at a constant acceleration in this direction. So that fact that tells me that the speed increases in the y direction but is constant in the x direction is what gives us the parabolic motion. Okay, but that's let's just think about that a little bit further. And that is true. So, I mean, it's parabolic motion, but let's just think about that a little bit further. What happens if I throw the object a little faster in the horizontal direction? If I throw the object a little faster in the horizontal direction, it's going to go further, right? Throw it faster, it's going to go further. I'm going to take this to an extreme. So I'm going to switch to a demonstration. Well, it's not a demonstration, it's an online applet. Let me introduce it before I switch to it. And basically the bottom line is what happens when I start shooting things really far? Right? What we forget, or what we forgot up until now, is that the Earth is not flat. There are people who think the Earth is flat. Those people are kind of crazy. The Earth is not flat. I'm sorry if you think the Earth is flat, but if you think the Earth is flat, you probably shouldn't be a scientist. Or maybe we'll learn that the Earth is not flat. But in any case, it's pretty easy to see the Earth is not flat by looking at either other planets from the surface of the Earth and seeing that they're all round, or by going up to the space station and looking at our planet. We can see that it's not flat. So in reality, if we get out to a long distance, so now let's imagine this, instead of being a few meters, let's think of this as being a few hundred or a few even thousand miles, right? What happens is the Earth is actually curved. And so as I shoot this projectile farther and farther, it's going to fall farther because of the curvature of the Earth. But then you might say, what happens if I shoot it fast enough? If I shoot it fast enough, it's going to leave their surface. I think we all know that. That's what we do with rockets, right? We shoot them off the Earth's surface, and we allow them to, and we shoot them fast enough. Eventually, we get them fast enough so they can leave. They don't fall back. Well, they generally will come back, but we have a few out there that we've shot fast enough in the right direction so that they don't come back. Most of them, we want them to come back. Okay. So now I'm going to go and do my demonstration online.